कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति पराङ्गतिं जयत्यतिबलो रामः लक्ष्मणश्च महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेण अभिपालितः दासोऽहं कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनूमान् शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिफलं भवेत् शिलाभिस्तु प्रहरतः पादपैश्च सहस्रशः अर्धयित्वा पुरीं लङ्काम् अभिवाद्य च मैथिलीं समृद्धार्थो गमिष्यामि मिषतां सर्वराक्षसां नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः नमः सभायै। आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग श्री रामायण लेक्चर्स पार्ट 37 अद्य पृथुभ्यः दिन संदर्भे अनेन मंगलाशासनानि नमस्कारः अनुगृहीतोऽस्मि। So we are in the part 37 of Ramayana lectures at the Hindu temple of Labak. What a coincidence! Hanta iti bhagyam. Today the world celebrates as Father's Day. And the context we are going to see in the two sargas is where Rama is eulogizing his father Dasharatha. We say these days, common adage that mother and father are the living gods. If you trace back some reference to it, it is in Valmiki Ramayana. Valmiki brings this phrase, Mata cha pita cha pratyakshe sati dhaivate. That is the sarga we are going to see, and what a coincidence. So Rama keeps on giving us gifts. We never planned that this sarga will be discussed today on Father's Day. The phrase is Pratyakshe sati daivate mata pita cha. So Rama says, don't you understand? Ye mata kaikeyi, father and mother are the living gods. So that is what we are going to discuss. What is Ramayana? So everything fits well. Ramayana, according to Vyasa, is nothing but it is not that Rama was born, he married Sita. The purpose of Ramayana, according to Veda Vyasa, is Guru Varte Tyakta Rajyo Vyacharat Anuvanam Padmapadbyam Priyayaha Panisparsa Kshamabhyam Mrichitapad Arujo Yo Harindra Anujabhyam Vairupya Shurpanakya Priya Vihara Rusharopita Bhu Vijrumba Trastabdhirbadda Setuhu Kaladavadahana Kosalendro Avatanah. That's it. What an apt thing. Vyasa begins Ramayana. Says Guru Arte Tyakta Rajyo. It is only for the making sure his father keeps his word. That is the gift for the Father's Day. So many yugas before these kavis, we have already seen last lecture that these are not ordinary kavis. So I don't know why Vyasa begins Guru Varte Tyakta Rajyo Vacharata Anudanam Padmapadhyam Priyaya. Then only Sita comes. So it is very apt for us to talk about Guru. Guru mane here father. So to talk about the auspicious aspects of a father, which Rama tells in many shlokas. So he is a Manushya. So he was elated. So he was elated that today is going to be his Yavaraja Pattabhishekam. Apo hishta mayo bhuvasta navurje tadadanayit abdhurma arjayanti apo vai sarva devata. Why you have to do this Nirajanam? Why you have to do this sprinkling of water? Veda says, Apo hishta mayo bhuvasta abdhurma arjayante. You just purify things with water because Apo vai sarva devata. In the morning, I guess, the lectures are going on Rigveda. We will talk about Yajurveda. So, sarva devata sannidhyam abdhuryeva. So, the entire devatas are present in the water and in also Agni. but water is more Shitalam. So that's why we use water for all these Griha Pravesha and all, even for Preta Samskara, water plays an important role. So he was elated that this is going to happen. Till now, he is expecting things are going to happen and he is going to see his father. Yataha moolam naraf pashyet pradurbhavam ihatmana. What a beautiful sarga and what a beautiful sloka. Katam tasmin navarteta pratyakshe sati daivate. There again Valmiki brings Veda. Atma vai putra namasi. We are all, father, son is nothing but the Swarupa of father. Atma vai putra namasi. So he thinks everything is going to happen. So this putra is going to see his father. He is an innocent young yuva. Atma vai putra utpanna iti vedam anushasanam. Again Vedas Vyakya. Atma vai putra utpannaha iti vedaha anushasanam tasmadasya bhavadvatta ayuhu indriyaha sattvavan. Again Veda, we cannot let Veda go. So that's how this Rama goes to see Valmiki. So everywhere father is eulogized, father and mother, you have to take them in that way. Nunam nandati te mata kausalya matrunandanaha pashyanti siddhayatyatram tvam pitryam rajam upastitam sarva simantinibhyascha sitam simantinim varam amanyantaha ita na amanyantaha ita naryo ramasya hridaya priyam. These two slokas, Paramapavanam. Nunam nandati te mata, that's all. Rama is not elated because he is going to be Yavaraja. This is where we finished in the last Upanyasa. So it is perfect fitting. Father's Day, Mother's Day, Children's Day. In Sanatana Dharma, every day is a Father's Day. Every day is a Mother's Day. Every day is a Children's Day. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atiti Devo Bhava, Yanyanavadhyani Karmani. So it preaches the young kids that make sure that you learn to respect Mata. Nunam nandati te Mata Kausalya Matrunandana Pashyanti Siddhayatyatram Pitrayam Rajam Upastitam Sarva Simantinibhyascha Sitam Simantinim Varam Amanyanta Hitanaryo Ramasya Hridaya Priyam. So people were all blessing Rama. Your wife Sita is so blessed. Haha, what a type of tapas she has done. Taya sucharitam devya puranunam mahattapaha rohiniva shashankena ramasya samyogam apaya. Beautiful slokas. If Ram Lord approves, we will finish 3 sargas today. But every sloka is a pearl. Taya sucharitam devya puranunam. She must have done. Similar to Rama. Rama must have done such a kind of tapas to get Sita. Sita must have done. It is certain. Without efforts you don't get anything. Mandopi prayojanam uddishya na karyam kartate. Taya sucharitam devya pura nunam mahattapaha rohiniva shashankena rama samyogam apaya iti prasada srungeshu pramadhabihi narottama shushrava rajamargastha priyavacha udahritaha. So people were all standing in the balcony. Prasada sringeshu pramadhabihi, ladies. Who were these ladies? Sarvasi mantini. Blessed ladies. Shushrava Rajamargastha Priyavacha Udahrita Saragavastatra Tada Pralapane Shushrava Lokasya Samagatasya Atmadhikara Vividaschavasa. People were praising him. Atmadhikara. People were praising the qualities. People were praising the qualities of Rama in many different fashion, in many different ways, which we will see. Saragavastatra tada pralapane sushrava. He was hearing this. Is it okay to hear this? So then you call it as a Rama, as a Sarva Guna Sampurna. Is that so? He listened because he didn't want to disturb the people. He wanted to please them, but he didn't take it to his heart. So he didn't have the mamakara, he didn't have the ahankara. Atmadikara vividaschavasaha prahushtarupasya pure janasya. People from the city of Ayodhya, people from that district were all happy. Yesha Sriyam. Then why did Rama allow these people to praise him? That's where the guna is. Because He is Sthita Prajna. We'll see that if time permits. Gita, Lord Krishna says in the second chapter, 19 slokas, there is a conversation between Arjuna and Krishna about who is Ka Bhashate, who is Sthita Prajna. Rama is a Sthita Prajna. Why? Why did he allow? Valmiki qualifies that in the next sloka. Because the people were happy that they will be ruled better than Dasaratha, they will be ruled better than Aja, and they will also be ruled better than Raghu. To satisfy the request and the needs of the people, he let him do that. Yesha sriyam gacchati raghavaha adyaha rajaprasada tat vipulam gamishyan yete vayam sarva samruddha kama. Every sloka has a following one. So Valmiki did not leave us to doubt anything. Ete vayam sarva samruddha kama yesham ayam naha bhavita prashasta. Ayam naha. When he rules us, Bhavita Prashasta, when he is going to rule us, all our requests will be fulfilled. Ete vayam sarva samruddha kama. So people were getting that confidence. So even though it was a monarchy, you can see democracy is everywhere. Labho janasyasya yadesha sarvam prapasyate rashtramidam chiraya. When Rama gets prapastate rashtramidam chiraya, when Rama is going to rule for a long time, people were so shuddhaman. So what their words came true. Chiraya. Chiraya mane 10,000 years Rama ruled. Labho janasyasya labha. It is for the benefit of the people. Labho janasyasya yadesha sarvam prapasyate rashtamidam chiraya. Nahi apriyam kinchana. We will not face any apriyam. There won't be any bad deeds in the kingdom. Nahi apriyam kinchana jatu kaschit. We won't even see anything. Jatu kaschit pasye na dukkam anujadipate na dukkam. We will not see any dukkam at all. This was the confidence. So he didn't want to shake the confidence of the people. Sa goshavadbhischa ahai sanagai. So lot of horses, people were using different ways to express their merry. Lot of horse parade, nagaihi, elephant parade, purassaraihi, swastika, sutamagatai. People were all talking swasti vachanam. Mahiyamanaha pravaraischa vadakaihi. People were all praising him. Mahiyamanaha pravaraischa vadakaihi. Different percussion instrument, wind instrument, string instrument. Abhishtuto vaishravano yatayayo. Rama listened everything in a cool mind. Sthita prajnasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshavah sthitadhihi kim prabhasheta kimasit vrajeta kim. So he was a Sthita Prajna. So the example, he was a walking embodiment of Sthita Prajna. Prajahati yada kaman sarvan partha manogatane atmanyevatmana tushtaha. Atmanyevatmana tushtaha. Who rejoices in himself. He doesn't bother about others. Sthita Prajna iti uchyate. So he didn't worry why the same thing that in few minutes says Adya Chipram Gacha Vanam. Kaikeyi says you immediately go to the Vanam. He didn't bother because he was like a ocean perfectly. It doesn't matter whether 10 rivers come in that particular rainy season, so much rivers flood into ocean. It is still doing the same job. Apuryamanam achala pratishtam samudramapaha pravishanti yadvat tadvat kamayam pravishanti sarve sashanti mapnoti nakamakami. Rama was nakamakami. He did not expect anything. He did not at all expect anything. Even when bad things come, Rama says, he advises his mother, Durlabam hi sada sukam. E mata Kaikeyi, Durlabam hi sada sukam. He is a na kamakami santushtaha yeyeva. He is Sthita Prajna. Sa goshavadbhihi ahaihi sanagaihi purassaraihi swastika sutamaagataihi mahiyamanaha pravaraischa vadakaihi abhishtuto vaishravano yata karenu matangarata swasankulam mahajanaugai paripurna chatvaram. People were all standing in the crossroads. Paripurna chatvaram. Every roads were filled. Prabhutaratnam bahupanya sanchayam dadarsha ramo vimalam mahapatam. This Valmiki portrays Rama is a Manushya. So he got He said, okay, so my becoming Yavaraja is making this many people happy, so let it go. Karena matanga ratasva sankulam mahajanau gaihi paripurna satvaram prabhutaratnam bahupan sanchayam dadarsha ramo vimalam mahapatam. What a beautiful Karenu, female elephant, male elephant. Aswa, Sankulam, groups and groups, Mahajanagi, Paripurna Chatvaram, all the roads were filled with people. Prabhutaratnam, how were the roads? Valmiki describes Prabhutaratnam, everywhere there were jewelers. Once Jituba used to run the shop, no? Like that, Prabhutaratnam, Bahupanya Sanchayam. So much groceries. You are doing it in another way anyway. Bahupanya Sanchayam, Dadarshara, Vimalam Mahapatam. Tadarsha Ramo Vimalam Mahapatam. Mahapatam means in the great road, these were all happening. So Rama now comes to father and he is going to eulogize his father. Sa Ramo Ratamastaya Samprahrishta Suhrujjanaha Pathakadvaja Sampannam Maharha Agarudupitam Apashyati Nagaram Sriman Nana Janasaka. He Apashyati Sriman Nagaram. The Nagaram itself is Sriman. Sa Ramo Rathamastaya Samprishta Suhrujjanaihi. So Suhruds all were his friends, no enemies. Apashyati Nagaram Sriman Nana Janasamakulam. Sa Grihaihi Abrasankashaihi Panduhaihi Upashobitam Rajamargam Yayuramo Madhye Nagara Agarudu Madhye Agarudu Pitam. Everywhere there were fragments. Rajamargam. So in that main road, highway, people were all throwing fragrances, alo, agaru, agil in Tamil. Chandananam cha mukyanam agarunam cha sanchayai uttamanam cha gandhanam kshaumakausha ambara kshaumakaushambarasya cha avidscha muktavihi. You know, when you are going to gift the pearl, there is a saying, you should not give the pearl with hole. The person who is receiving the gift should put the hole. Valmiki clearly says, aviddhabhischa muktavihi. No hole. There is no break. Avidbhavischa muktabihi uttamaihi spatikairapi shaubhamanasya sambadam tam rajapatam uttamam samvritam vividaihi pushpaihi bhakshai. A lot of food stall. Bhakshaihi. That too straight bhakshaihi api dadarshatam rajapatam divi devapatiryata. Divi devapatiryata. It was like a Vaishravana road. Daksha, Dhadi, Akshaya, Havihi, all these people are spraying. Can you believe it? Tells the Samriddhi. Previously Valmiki said, well, already Samriddha has started coming to Ayodhya. So this is a great kingdom. How was the great kingdom? Rama is going to inherit the great kingdom. So beautiful. Sa sainya paribhigena ganda Danamugandhina kaverim saritam patyuhu shankaniyam ivakarot. Beautiful. Kalidasa says, how was this kingdom? Why you call Rama to be Raghurama? The wealth and the kingdom was extended by Raghu. That is the reason why you can't call Rama to be a Bhagirath Rama. You can call. But in Rudyam, in general understanding, we only call Raghurama. We don't call Dileepa Rama. We don't call Ajarama. Of course, we call Dasharatha Rama. That is the crux of the story today. Why you call Raghurama? Because it is only during the time of Raghu. It's only during the time of Raghu, the kingdom was expanded according to Kalidasa. Valmiki never brings this. Kalidasa beautifully says that the kingdom of Raghu extended all the way down south to Dravida Desa. And he brings a reference that Raghu was invading several parts of India, Gurjara Desa, Madhya Desa, Karnataka Desa, Satavakana Desa, whatever it is, Andhra Desa, and then he comes to Tamil Nadu, present day Tamil Nadu, on the banks of Kaveri. We cannot escape Kalidasa. So Valmiki never brings this, but Kalidasa brings this. So why I digressed is to say, why this is the nature of Rama. This kingdom was so large, so prosperous. So Kalidasa says they conquered South India, crossed the Deccan Plateau, and conquered South India. History is there. So you have to see the Kavya in terms of his bhakti, in terms of a philosophical test, in terms wherever possible historical context, and also for Kavitvam. We are seeing this in this lecture, 37th week, Iski Kripa. So Raghu had an army with lot of elephants and horses. So the elephants were all prodded to fight against the enemies. Pratipaksha, no enemy, Pratipaksha. So then these elephants were all so angry that their Mahut is forcing them to fight. So when they saw the pristine, cool waters of Kaveri, they immediately jumped into the water. Sasainya paribhigena gandadana mugandina. So these elephants were angry. When their emotions were pricked, they give this mata jala from the head, from the cheek, and from their excreta. So 3 times of mother, mum madam. And that mother jala mixed with Kaveri. Beautiful. Look at this Kavi Prasam. Until yesterday, when Raghu did not invade Kaveri part, the Pati of Kaveri is nothing but ocean. Right? Salilapati, ocean. So ocean is the man and rivers are considered to be their wives. So this ocean is used to have a smell of Kaveri, one smell. But when Raghu invaded the South Indian kingdom, these elephants merged in the water and their matta jala mixed with Kaveri and they started smelling in a different fashion. And Kalidasa notes that this ocean, which is today's Indian Ocean, was able to question, what happened to my wife? Why is she having a different fragrance than yesterday? Oh, something happened. So the great Raghu has invaded South India, and now I guess that if Raghu's elephants can do this change, think about the progenies of Raghu. So that was the prosperity of Raghu dynasty. Rama belongs to the dynasty, but everything is going to change in a chana, maybe 10 minutes. Politics is the heart of the possible, the art of the next act. We don't know what the next act is. Why this happened? This happened because abyssis abyssum invocat. That's a great Latin saying. Mistakes keep on coming. Tamila pattakalile padum. So abyssis abyssum invocat. So 2 people kept on doing mistakes. Dasaratha was such a Raja Rishi, but he is always addicted. He had so much love for this Kaikeyi. So without even thinking, he blurted something. Of course, she helped him in the Sambarasa Yuddha. But he should not have said, you ask anything I will give, because he is not a Paramatma. He is a Manushya. He forgot that. So he blurted something. Similarly, Kaikeyi, thinking that she is doing Dharma, kept on doing Adharma. Abyssis abyssum invocat. So both lost. So she got the widowness as her fellow, and Dasaratha got, he just left his breath without even seeing Rama crowned as a Yavaraja. So those were the cherished desire of Dasaratha that never fulfilled. So Khalil Gibran says, in much of your talking, thinking is half murdered. You see Valmiki Ramayana, you talk whether what Lebanese writer thinks to what a German Bismarck thing, all is in Ramayana. So every time you read, this is a learning for me. Dadarshatam Rajapatam Divi Deva Patiryata Dadi Akshataha Avihi Lajaihi Dhupaihi Agaru Chandanaihi. Everything was there. So there was no poor. That's why I digress to tell. Can you believe these elephants coming and merging in Kaveri river, and the smell of the river changes, fragrance of the river changes. So they shocked the ocean itself. Imagine the power and might of Raghuvamsa. Nana Malyopagandaischa Sada Archayitvar Sada. There was Satwaram. The roads were always in this merry. Ashirvadan Bahun Srunvan Suhurbihi Sumadhiritane Yatargham Chapi Sampujya Sarvaneva Naranyayav. He was listening to all these blessings. Druvante Raja Varuno Dhruvandevo Brigaspatihi Druvanta Indrascha Agnischa Rashtran Dharayatam Dhruvam. Then they say, hey Rama, go quickly inherit the kingdom led by your grandfather. Who was grandfather of Rama? Aja. Go quickly inherit the land ruled by your great grandfather. Who is him? Raghu. Pitamahaicha पितामहै च आचरितं तयैव प्रपितामहैः अध्योपादायतम् अद्यो you are going to inherit get अध्योपादायतं मार्गम् अभिषिक्तो अनुपालय get crowned and then rule like they ruled. Who rule like they didn't mention Dasratha here. They mentioned Pitamaha, Prapitamaha, Aja Chakravarti and Raghu Chakravarti. We have seen what Raghu did in the last class. He went out of the way to give gift to that Astrix's son, Kausta. We have seen that. So he went all the way to Kubera Pattanam and fought with Kubera to get money to give the money to that young brahmachari, Varatantu's son, student. Yata asma poshita pitra yata purve pitamahaihi tataihi sukataram. Why Rama let it go? Valmiki answers, because like your father ruled, like your grandfather ruled, but we are confident that you will rule better. Tataha sukataram sarve rame vasyama rajani. We are confident that we will better. Every election we expect that things will be better. Similarly, in those days people expected. Yata asma poshitaha pitraha yata purve pitamahaihi tataha sukataram sarve rame vasyam rajani alamadhya hi bhuva alam. So he says we will be benefiting. Tato hina priyataram nanyantikam. So yathabhisheko ramasya rajyena mita chejasa rajya amita tejasa. Everything was shining, glittering. Etascha anyascha sughrutam udasina. But Rama was a sthita prajna. He did not take it to his heart what all these people were saying. Etascha anyascha sughrutam udasina shubhakataha. All the flatterings these people said. You are going to be Vaishravana, you are Indira. We also said why Valmiki used that comparison in the last prasanga. So, Yetas Chanyasa, this people, that people, Suhrudabhi, Udasinaha, Shubhagataha, Atma Sampujani Shrinvan, Yayuramo Mahapata. He just listened. He did not get carried away. Nahi tasman manakaschiti chakshu jiva narottama naraha shokvanotya apakrishtum atikranto apiragava. Atikranto Raghava. He just kept on moving. And the people were not able to get their heads away from him. Apakrishtam atikranto apiragava. They were not able to take their eyes of Rama. Yascharam. Then people were said, if I didn't see Rama, if Rama did not see me, the purpose of living is waste. That much was the power he had on people in a good way. Yascha Ramam na pashyetu yancha Ramo na pashyati. This is one golden etched sloka. There are some slokas when we read Ramayana, we were asked to memorize. It's impossible to memorize those 24,000 slokas. So we memorize some Kshepa Ramayanam, first sarga. Then we memorize certain slokas. And one such sloka is this. Yascha Ramam na pashyetu yancha Ramo na pashyati. Yascha Ramam. Those people who are not seen by Rama. And those people who did not see Rama. Yascha Ramam na pashyetu. Those people, Yascha Ramam na pashyetu. If Rama did not see some people, or some people did not make efforts to see Rama, yancha Ramo na pashyati. Yancha Ramo. Those people who did not see Rama. Nindataha sarvalokeshu swatmapyenam vigarhati. Atmanam eva. Their mind itself, their heart itself will curse them. Why didn't you make efforts to see Rama? Because he said dharma. Sarvesham sahi dharmatma. He was satisfying everybody. Chat pushpathan devam devapatam Saityam ayatanani cha pradakshinam pariharan jagama nripates. Then what he did? He always went in a pradakshina. Chat pushpatan mane the people who walk on four paths. The people who walk on four paths are those who read Veda. So it refers indirectly to Dvijas. Chat pushpatan, it is according to Vyakyana. But you can say Chat pushpatan means the people assembled in the road. That also you can take. But the Gopyartha is those people who walk on four roads. Four roads are Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana. So Chat Pushpatan, Devapatam, Chaityam. Chaityam means all the treats, good treats. So he was taking care of the Dasaratha was taking care of environment. Ayatana, Nicha, Ayatanana means temple. Pradakshinam Pariharam Jagama and Ripatesva, he just did circumambulation and then he was going to where? He was going to the Antapura of Dasharatha. Sa Rajakulamasādya Megha Sangopamai Shubhai Prasadat Srunga Vividaihi Ke Kailasa Shikaropamai Avarayadbihi Gaganam. So the Gaganam, so these palaces were touching. There was no gap between the sky and these palaces. Avarayadbihi Gaganam Vimanai Ivapandurai. All these houses were in the white. White means pristine, clean. You should take it like that. Vardhamana Grihais Chapi, architecturally done houses. Ratna Jala Parikrisha, Ratna Jala Parikrisha. Wherever you can put these Ratnas, it was all etched with Ratnas. Tat Pritivyam Grihavaram Mahendra Sadanopamam. There was the palace of Dasharatha, which was Pritivyam. In this world, is it Indra's palace? Tat Pritivyam Grihavaram Mahendra Sadanopamam Rajaputra Pitruvashveshma Pitruveshme. So he went to the building, Veshmamana building, here it is palace. Rajaputra Pituru Veshma Pravivesha Sriyajalan. Sriyajalan Rajaputraha, because he was Jwalan because of Sita. And he was also a young man. So he was very happy that things are working out good. So Sriya Jwalan Rajaputraha Pitruveshma Pravivesha. Sa Kakshya Dhan Vibihi Guptaha Stisrohos Athikramya Vajibihi. So the palace was huge, big. Valmiki explains that there were 3 walls, and the places that were separated by 3 walls, Tisro Atikramya Vajbi, so where he could use horses. So he just went into the chariot, crossing 3 doorways, and then he entered into the inner compartment of the big palace where he could not use horses. Padatira Pare Kakshe, then there were 2 big buildings where he had to walk with his foot. Padatira Pare Kakshe Dve Jagama Narottama. So the palace was so big, you should take it that way, that wherever he could go up to the place with the horses he went, Vajibihi. Then he did Padatira Pare Kakshe Dve Jagama Narottama. Sa Sarva Samatikramya Kaksha Dasharathatmajaha Sannivartya Janam Sarvam. Then Sannivartya Janam Sarvam. Then he said, I have to have a individual audience with my father, so you please excuse me. Sannivartya. So he let them separate or go away. Sannivartya Janam Sarvam Shuddhantav Puram. He went into the, because Dasaratha was still in the Antapura of Kaikeyi. Tasmin pravishte priturantikam tada janassa sarvo mudito nrupatmaje pratikshate tasya punasma nirgam. But people were expecting to see him. Pratikshate tasya punasma nirgamam yatho. He finishes Valmiki. So the meter is long. Tasmin pravishte priturantikam tada janassa sarvo mudito nrupatmaje pratikshate tasya punasma nirgamam Yatodayam Chandramasa Saritpatihi. Chandramasa Saritpatihi, the ocean. As if the sea was expecting the coming of moon. People were expecting and waiting to see Rama will come out of his father's place. Yatodayam Chandramata Saritpatihi. So, this is how this Rama is now entering the palace. This is where Ramayana starts. Guruvarte Tyakta Rajyo. A very important sarga. Lot of phrases. Ramaha Dvir na Abhibhashate comes here. So Kaikeyi is going to trickery. That's what I said. Abyssis, abyssum invacat. She is doing falsehood after falsehood. Sadarsha asane Ramaha nishannam pitaram shubhe Kaikeyi sahitam deenam mukhe. This is an embodiment of an obedient son. Pitruvakya paripalana yanamaha. So this is what he says. To me, Mathe kevalam dharma mastitam. I am only here to protect dharma. Please. Susrishecha pituryata sahidharma sanatanam. What a perfect fitting. In this sarga, Valmiki says, what is the duty of the son? Sushrushe. Pituhu. Pitu mane parents. Susrushescha pituryata sahidharma sanatanam. Then he says, what is dharma? Kevalam dharma mastitam. I am here only to be. In that way, I am rishitulyam. I will be like a saint. The purpose for me is to kevalam dharmam astitam. Then he qualifies here. What is dharma? Is it doing yajna? Is it doing yaga? No. This is what Ramayana is according to Vyasa. So it pituvarte, to fulfill the deeds. That's what he says. Shushrusheschcha pituhu yata sahi dharma sanatana. Krishna also says, Yesha dharma sanatana. For Rama, Pitruvakya paripalanam is dharma. Can you believe he was given today? It's like a mandate. Election Commission announces that this party got the majority. Then they go back and revert it. Then comes fight. They go all the way to the Supreme Court. Rama did not have gone to Supreme Court, but he did not say a word. There he says, Kaikeyi, this is what we'll do. Kaikeyi says, okay, Rama, you go now. But Rama says, Ma, give me only 2 boons. Kaikeyi asked 2 boons, but Rama asked 2 boons to Kaikeyi here. Ma, you give me 2 boons. Make sure Bharata rules this kingdom according to Dharma. That is the first boon you should give me. And make sure Bharata takes care of my father. That's what it comes, father and mother. Susrushescha pituryata sahi dharma sanatanam. So what did Kaikeyi ask? Bharata should be the king and Rama should go to forest immediately and do how much? Chira, jata, darida, darina. Not even good clothes, not even karpasa clothes, cotton. Leave kshaumavasam, leave silk clothes, not even karpasa. Karpasa mane cotton. Not even cotton clothes. Chira, jata, darina, darina. Chira, barks. How brittle it is. Every day they have to twine these barks. Sita did it for Rama. She was such an evil dead, abyssum in Makat. Sadadarsha asane Rama. Then Kaikeyi was very good in act. Until then, Dasaratha was fallen on the floor. Patite, dharti mein pada tha. She lifts him and keeps him in a nice chair. Sadadarsha asane Ramaha nishannam. Sitting. Nishannam mane in a peaceful, comfortable. So she lifts him. Patitam shubhe asane. Nice asana. Kaikeyi sahitam dhinam mukena. But his face showed he was wilted. Parishushyata. That means sad. You can take sad. Sa pituhu charanau. Then today it's his blessing. This sarga Rama shows his respect like anything to his father. Look. Sa pituhu charanau purvam abhivadya vinitavat. Rama vinitavat pituhu charanam abhivadya purvam. Then he does ashtanga namaskara to his mata. Tataha then bhavande charanau Kaikeya susamahitaha. Rama iti uktva. Then what did Valmiki, Dasaratha says? He could not do anything because his guilt was eating him. He says Rama. That's all. Rama iti uktva cha vachanam bhashpaparya kulaikshana. Water was flowing from his eyes. Shashaka nripatihi dino na ikshitam. Shashaka na ikshitam na shashaka. He was not even able to face him. That's why in court cases they say, she is a great pleader. She sees Dasaratha in his eyes. How say you? Are you going to accept your vows? Hey Rajan, how say you? So Kaikeyi sees Rama eye to eye because she is wicked, willy. Whereas Dasaratha could not see Rama. Valmiki says this. That's why they say, if you are a good trial lawyer, they say face the judge in his eyes. Face the jurors in his eyes. So there again some explanation to lawyers. This Valmiki Ramayana, if you read like this, 10 years it will take. If he gives me, let's do. Sa pituhu charanau purvam abhivadya vinitavati tataha bhavande charanau. Even listening to these slokas, isn't it? Tataha bhavande charanau Kaikeya susamahitaha Rama iti uktva cha vatanam bhashpa paryakulam ikshana. Shashaka nripatihi dino. He was dependent on Kaikeyi. He could not do anything. Na ikshitam na abhibhashitam. He cannot speak a word. He said Ram. Tat apurvam narapate drishtva rupam bhaya. Can you believe Rama? Valmiki wants to portray Rama as a manushya. So Rama got jittery. I haven't seen son of Aja, grandson of Raghu to be falling like this. Rama iti uktva cha vachanam bhashpa paryakulikshana shashaka nripatihi dino na ikshitam na vibhashitam tataha apurvam nara. This is unseen. Dasaratha was a chakravarti. But this guy is lying like this. Tataha then apurvam narapatehe drishtva rupam bhayavaham ramamapi Even for Rama, because why? He was so affectionate to his father, not because he was weak. There Valmiki portrays the relationship between Dasaratha and Rama. Ramam api bhayam apannaha. Beautiful. How did this? Valmiki says, as if you are walking in the road and you are struck by a snake. Pada srishtva iva pannagam. Rama was struck as if you are struck while walking. Your foot was struck by a pannagam, by a snake. Imagine. You don't know what to do at that moment. Whether I should go to the hospital or somebody I should be there to suck this blood. Like this, Rama did not know what to do. Tataha apurvam narapatehe drishtva rupam bhayavaham ramam api bhayam apannaha pada srishta iva pannagam. Beautiful. See, this is Kavi. Indriyaihi aprushtayihi tam shoka santapakarshittam. Dasaratha was being pained by all his indriya because he dealt guilt. Indriyaihi aprakrishtayihi tam shoka santapakarshittam nihvasantam. So nihvasantam, that means deep breath. Maharajam vyatita akula chetasam. He was distressed. Urmimalinam akshobhyam. Urmimalinam. He also gives an example. How? Imagine your ocean will never get disturbed from its regular activity. Always waves will come and go. Urmimalinam means waves. Akshobhya, deep. There is no break to the ocean. There is no chunnam. Urmimalinam akshobhyam chubhyatam. But it got the ocean was put to stop. Shubhyantam iva sagaram upaluptam iva adityam upaluptam iva. It's like a grahana kala, like Surya being caught by Rahu or Ketu. Then he gives a good example. How was Dasaratha? Dasaratha was a rishi who is caught lying. So Satya is given that much importance. Ukta nritam rishim yata. Ukta anritam rishim yata. How was Dasaratha? Dasaratha was being caught by a rishi who told lies. Uktam anritam rishim yata. That is the great punchline. So, achintya kalpam hi pituhu tam shokam upadharayan. Upadharayan shokam. Why this happened to my father? He is like a rishi who has told lies. So he is whiling. He is ashamed. Bhabuva samramdhataraha samudraiva par. And then Rama could not, this Valmiki says, how was Rama? On a full moon day, assume that Parnavaha Samudraiva. So Samrabdhatara. So it was like a restless ocean on a Parvani, on a full moon or a new moon. He is also using a lot of Upama. Chintayamasa cha tada Rama pitruhu iter. What was Rama? Rama was Vinitavat. Valmiki again says this Sarga is a celebration for Father's Day. Pituhu iter rataha. Rata mane tapas. So the tapas for Rama is pituhu hitam. Vinitavat evam Ram was Kaisa Ram. Pituhu iterataha kimsvid adya evan nripati. Kimsvid, what happened to my father? I am his well-wisher, he is my well-wisher. Kimsvid adya evan nripati namam pratyabhinanditi. He normally says, Ram, come. Pratyabhinanditi. When I say hello, he says hello. But today he is not saying hello. How much loka dharma Valmiki splits here. Anyadamam pita drishtva kupitaha api prasidati. I have not seen my father like this kupitaha. Kupitaha means normally it is angry, but he is distressed. Tasya mam adya samprekshya kim ayasa pravartate. Ayasa pravartate. What is the distress? What is the shoka? Sa dhinaiva shokartaha vishanna vadanadyuti. Vishan kaikeyim abhivadya eva rama vachanam abbravi. He then, because he is attached to his father, so he is just perplexed, so he splurts. Kaikeyim abhivadya eva rama vachanam abravit. Rama asks Kaikeyi, kaschid mayana aparadam ajnanat yena me pita. Did I do anything without my knowledge? Hey mata, kaschin maya na aparadam ajnatat yena me pita kupitaha tanmama achakshva tvam chaiva yenam. You can only say tvam chaiva yenam prasadaye. What happened, mata? You please tell. Aprasanna manaha kim nu sadamam prativatsala. He is always to me the beloved father. That is again, it's his, see, if you can say, can you give some example how Father's Day was celebrated? This Sarga in Valmiki Ramayana is a celebration for a Father's Day. So it's celebration of Father's Day. I can feel that. Atmagata. My son went to India. he is learning Veda somewhere. So until this morning I didn't get Father's Day wishes from him. But then he says, Appa, happy Father's Day. Then I got that much prahrishta manaha. I got so happy. So this is clearly that aprasanna mana kimnu sadamam prativatsala. He is always affectionate to me. Vishanna vadano dino na himam abhibhashate. Vishanna vadana. He is so wilted. He is not speaking to me. Sharira manasova api kaschiti yenam na bhadate. See, this is Father's Day. I never expected this will come. So, is it because he has some pain in his body? Is it because he has some pain in his manas? Shariraha manasova api kaschiti yenam na bhadate. Samtapo va abhitapo va. Samtapa, body pain is samtapa. Abhitapa is something internal, mental. Samtapa va abhitapo va durlabam hi sada sukam. I know this is going to pass away because in this world durlabam hi sada sukam. Dharma vakya. One sarga. Each sarga, art of living. I am writing a book now on this. No time. Samtapava, abhitapava, durlabam hi sada. Durlabam hi sada sukam. So this is just a cycle. My father will pass away because Valmiki is portraying Rama as just a manishya. You get to admit somebody in the hospital. You think as if the doctor is the god. Of course, they are the God Swarupa. Then you keep walking here and there. Every minute you see somebody coming out of the operation, you keep on bugging them. Same thing. Durlabam hi sada sukam. I know. What a beautiful phrase. Durlabam hi sada sukam kaschinna kichiti bharate kumare priyadarshane shatrughne va maha satve bharyanam va mama ashubham. Bharyanam va ashubham. Did something happen to my mothers? Matrunam va mama ashubham. Mama matrunam va ashubham. Did it happen something to Bharata? Priyadarshane, good-looking Bharata. Then Mahasatve, Mahatapasvi, Shatrughna. Did it happen anything to him? He didn't think about him as his wife. He is thinking about his mother. He is thinking about his brother. He is thinking about Shatrughna. Kaschinna kinchit bharate kumare priyadarshane Shatrughne Mahasatve. Mahasatve. Matrunam va Shatrughno Nitya Shatrughnaha. We have already seen why Vasishta named him Shatrughnaha, Nitya Shatrughnaha. Here Rama himself says Mahasattva. He is a sattvic person. Shatrughne Shatrughno va Mahasatve Matrunam va Ashubham. Did something happen to them? Atoshayan Maharajan Akurvan va Pitu. Atoshayan, I will not make him unhappy. I will do karishye vachanam tava. Until the end, Arjuna says, after listening to all these from Krishna, from the second sarga to the 18th sarga, karishye vachanam tava. Here he immediately, Atoshayan Maharajam Akurvan va pituhu vacha. Akurvan, I will not go away from what my father says. Muhurtam api nache. I don't want to live even muhurtam ane 48 minutes. You should not take it as 48 minutes. Mumurtam means moment. Momentarily, if he thinks that I have disobeyed him, I'm going to give my life away. Muhurtam api na ichcheyam jivitam kupite nripaha. Krupite mane, in literal sense, it is angry, but distress. I will not do anything which will cause distress to my father. If that had happened, I will not live any moment. Muhurtam api na ichcheyam jivitum kupite nripe yatham. This is the great sense. We all know the offsprings are nothing but the Swarupa of the father. So 2 months the Jiva, Mool, rests in the father, and 10 months it blossoms into a baby in mother. So normally it is 12-month cycle. 2 months the Tejas rests in the fathers. Then that gets transformed into the mother. In the mother's womb, it stays 10 days. So it is basically nothing but the transferring, in a way, in modern science parlance, genetic transformation from the father and the mother. Similarly, he says, what Rama says, Yataha moolam naraf pashyeti pradurbhavam iha atmanaha naras pashyet. Don't you know in the saying, the word, that pradurbhavam hi atmanaha. Father transfers his thing to his pradurbhut, his progeny. Khatam tasmin varteta pratyakshe sati daivate. How can it not be that I don't consider my parents as my living gods? Pratyakshe sati daivate. This is the phrase we use now. Father and mother are living gods. Valmiki had written several yuga back. Khatam tasmin varteta pratyakshe sati daivate. Pratyakshe sati daivate pitacha matacha. Kaschitte Parusham Kinchin Abhimanat Pitama. Then he got perplexed. Hey Kaikeyi. He uses the word Kaikeyi. Did you do anything to my father who makes him while away like this? Uktaha bhavatya kopena yatra asya lulitam manaha. Asya lulitam manaha. Why are you making suffering like this? Did you do anything? Bhavatya kopena yatra asya lulitam manaha. Ye tat achakshvame devi tatvena parityajyada. Kim nimittam apurvo ayam vikara manuja. Why this is happening? Vikara. It is not natural. Na raja kupito. Then Kaikeyi puts her act. Theatrical drama. Na raja kupito rama vyasanam nasya kinchana. Rama, don't think your father is distressed. Nothing happened to him. Kinchin manogatam tvasya tvatba. He has something to tell, but he is afraid of you. Kinchin manogatam tvasya tvatbhayat na abhibhashate. Courtroom drama. How say you, Rajan? Kinchin manogatam tvasya. He has something is running in his mind. We say that no in English parlance. Manogatam. So something is in his mind. Tvat bhayatena abhibhashate priyam tvam apriyam vaktum. It may be good to you, it may be bad to you, but I am going to tell. Priyam tvam apriyam vaktum vani nasyopapartate tadvashyam tvaya karyam. But you should promise that you will do what your father has said to do. I am going to relay that to you. I don't care whether it is makes happy to you or it makes you distressed. Yesam akhyam varam datva pura mam api pujyat. He gave, this is what I told you about Khalil Gibran's thing. You know, I helped your father, so he started pujitam maya. He started praising me. He got overwhelmed with me. This woman tells no lajja. Valmiki says na lajjati. She has no self-respect. Valmiki curses this Kaikeyi. Yesham akhyam varam datva puraha puramam abhipujya cha. He was praising me. Sa paschat. Then he realizes, that's what I said. Khalil Gibran says, and in much of your thinking is half murdered. He didn't think this, Dasaratha didn't think what this Kaikeyi is, that's what he said. Then he is repenting for the vara he gave me, Valmiki says, and Gibran brings in his own English. But of course it was in Arabic perhaps, then people translated. So, then he says, Sa paschati tapyate raja yatanya. Don't you think that is the nature of the people? They give something, they give the word, then they do perplex. This is common thing happening in the world, Rama, don't worry. She says, Sa paschati tapyate raja yatanyaha yataha anyaha prakritastata. Common thing, so people give words without thinking and then they go back on their words. But Rama says, Rama hadvirna abhibhashate. Don't worry, Kaikeyi ma, I am not going to change my word. Atisrijya dadaniti varam mama visham patihi sa nirartham. Beautiful ways. Now he is repenting. This is stupid, Rama. Don't you understand? Beautiful phrase. Gate jale setu bandhanam kim. What is the purpose when Tambravarani is flowing? You are not bordering it with the floodgates. You let the floodgates open when the river was flowing in bounty. Then you are thinking, hey, I should have put the floodgates on. Gate jale setu bandhanam kim. What a good phrase. Gate jale setu mane boundary or a barrier or whatever it is. Or a dam. Gate jale setu bandhanam kim sa nirartham gate jale setum bandhitum ichchati. Your father is doing the harm. Now he is repenting. Why did I give the vara? I should not. Gate jale setu bandhanam iva. Dharma moolam. Rama, don't you think this is dharma moolam? Once you give the word. In those days people kept the word. Sacrosanct. Dharma moolam idam Rama viditam cha satam api viditam. This is the vidhi. Dharma moolam idam Rama viditam cha satam api tat satyam na yatyadet. Tat satyam na tyadet. Raja kupitasvat krite yata. Even he gets distress. You will make him more distressed. Tvat krite yata. If he keeps away from his word. Yadi tat vakshate raja shubham va yadi va shubham. I don't care whether it is shubham or ashubham. Karishyasi tataha sarvamakyami punasvam. You promise that you will do. Karishyasi tataha. Afterwards, when I say those two things, you should promise that you will do. यदि त्वाम अभिहितं राज्ञा त्वयि तत् न विपस्यते ततो अहम अभिदास्यामि then I will, you give me promise, he gave me promise, then we know what these promises are. Gate jale setu bandhanam, but you should not do that. Then only I will tell you the reason for his distress. Tato अभिदास्यामि न हि एष त्वयि वक्ष्यति एतात्तु वचनं श्रुत्वा कैकेय्या समुदाहृतम् उवाच व्यतितो रामस्तां देवीं नृपसन्निधौ. Then in the presence of Raja, Rama says this beautiful, to me Pitruvakya Paripalanam is the epitome of the things I will do. Sahidharma Sanatanam. He gives a perfect fitting for Father's Day. Aho dhignarhase devi bhaktum mam idrish. Hey Nari, why are you talking to him? Already it is like adding ajyam to the agni, fanning the fire. Aho dhik, oh loss. Oh, I am suffering here because of your vachana. Paurusham vakyam. Aho dhik narhase devi Vaktum mam idrisham vacha. Why are you saying this to me? Aham hi vachanat rajnyaha pateyam apipavake. Even if I have to fall in the fire, perfect fitting. You should not take that if a father asks you to fall in the fire, will you fall? You got to take in a metaphorical sense. That much affection, that much respect he had for mother and father. Mannavan paniyagilum nun paniyandro. Kamban says, hey Kaikeyi, why are you saying father said? Even if you had said this, Kamban goes 1 inch better. Mannavan paniya, Mannavan mane Raja. Even the Raja said, nun pani, if you say that you have to go to the forest, I would ask no question, I would go. Then while saying this, he was Sita Prajna. How was his? Andalanda Sendamarayai Vendradamma. His face was like a blossomed young lotus petal. Andru Alaranda Sendamarayai Vendradamma. Even Ma, if father did not say me to go to the forest, if you said to go, that means metaphorically you can say. Here he says, I will fall in the fire. That much respect. You trust in the father and mother. We'll finish with this sloka, apt for Father's Day. Bhakshayeyam visham tikshnam. If you give me visham, tikshnam visham, the perfect fitting vision to take the life of a human. Bhakshayeyam visham tikshnam. I will drink that poison. Majyeyam apicha arnave. If you ask me to fall in the ocean, I will go fall. Majyeyam api arnave. Majye means to fall deep. Arnave niyuktaha guruna pitra. Because he is my guru. Mata is the one who gives you life. Pita is the one who gives you jnana. After mother introduces him to you. Niyuktaha, the order. Guru, he says how obedience. 4 words. To me, he is first guru. Niyuktaha guruna pitra. Then I am his son. Nripena. Then he is Raja. More importantly, he is Hitakamyaya. He is the well-wisher of the people. This is the confidence one should have in their father. Of course, things worked better. Mata was good, Pita was good, things were system. But don't say that can this be followed? That's a different question. Bhakshayeyam visham tikshnam majyeyam apicharnave. What a beautiful sarga. What a beautiful fitting. Niyuktaha guruna pitra nripena cha hitena cha. He is the well-wisher hitena cha. Tataha bruhi vachanam devi ragnyo yat abhikangshitam. Then tell me what is Raja expecting. This is where the phrase comes. Karishye prajina pratijane cha rama dvirna abhibhashate. You be known. Hey Kaikeyi, let it be known to you and the whole world. Karishye pratijane cha. Ramaha dvirna abhibhashate. I won't use my twisted tongue. What I say here, what I say there, what I say there is all true. Ramaha dvirna abhibhashate tam arjava samayuktam. Rama was the embodiment of arjam and truthfulness, righteousness. Anarya, whereas compare Kaikeyi, she is Anarya. No righteousness. Satyavadinam Ramam Satyavadinam Ramaha Vinitavate Ramaha Priyahiterat. Uvacha Ramam Kaikeyi Vachanam Brushadaranam. Kaikeyi was Anaryaha Brushadaruni. Pura de that then Kaikeyi is going to demand the 2 bones, and what a perfect fitting. So he says Tatabruhi Vachanam Devi Ragnyo Yad Abhikangshitam కరిష్యే ప్రతిజానే చ రామః ద్విర్న అభిభాషతే. డ్యూటిఫుల్ సన్, స్ట్రగ్లింగ్ ఫాదర్, వికెడ్ ఉమన్. So in all these sense, Rama comes out, abysses abyssum invocat, but Rama walks with truth. Kaikeyi fails, Dasaratha failed, and even Vasishtha fails here, but Rama walks. That's what he is known as. What it is? He is a Satya Swarupam, Tam Arjava Samayuktam. He is totally the embodiment, representation of Arjava, Satyam. Tam Arjava Samayuktam Anarya Satyavadinam Uvacha Ramam Kaikeyi Vachanam Vrishadarunam Pavamana Sutudu Pattu Padara Vindamulaku Ninama Rupamulaku Nitya Jaya Mangalam. Mangalam Kosalendraya Maganiya Gunabdaye Chakravarti Tanujaya Sarvabhumaya Mangalam Mangalani Santu.